Lions, Panthera, Leo, are large carnivores found in Africa. They live in social groups called prides, where females typically hunt while males defend territory. Lions primarily prey on large ungulates and mark their territories with scent and vocalizations. They are classified as vulnerable due to threats like habitat loss and poaching. Lions hold cultural significance worldwide, symbolizing strength and royalty. Lionesses give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs, which are raised communally. Understanding these aspects of lion behavior and conservation is crucial for their survival in the wild.